All right, so this is how to make the perfect scallop in a pan. So first of all, you want to have your scallop defrost overnight, and then you want to dry them with a paper towel. Now they're kind of dry, but I'm gonna pat them a little bit. You want them super dry, okay? Really, really dry. And then what I did, I just started my pan heating up. So and then you want to salt them, but you want to only salt them just before you put them in the pan. Now, a special ingredient is bacon grease. So you want to use the bacon grease like this. All right, so I'm just gonna use some right there. If I can use my one hand to do this while I'm holding my phone. All right, so a bit of bacon grease. Come on. There we go. So now that my pan is warming up, I'm just gonna salt my scallop generously. All right, just gonna flip them and salt the other side. All right, let's do this. So you don't want to salt them a while before, because otherwise they become kind of mushy. And yeah, so they're ready to go. We just need to make sure our pan is super piping hot, so we're gonna wait a little bit more. So the bacon grease is warming up. So bacon grease is amazing because it gives this kind of smoky flavor to the scallop. It's the secret ingredient, let me tell you, it's amazing. All right, so as soon as you see some smoke coming up, that's really good. It's piping hot, so you want to make sure it's hot so we get this good coloration. So what you're going to do, you're going to put them one by one. You don't want to put them all at once, otherwise your pan's going to go cold. So let's do one by one, like this. All right. Gently, with love. And you want to cook them on each side for like between a minute and 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook them, that's really important, but you want a good coloration. All right, so we're going, it's almost a minute in. All right, so it's time to flip them. So we're just gonna use a tongue. We're gonna check this out, that looks really good. And then we'll do them one by one, obviously. So we'll do another minute or 2 minute max on this other side. There we go. All right, so almost at the end now. So they look really good. Honestly, I like them kind of raw. So I'm gonna remove them now, but you can cook them a little bit more if you want. So I'm at the minute mark. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this paper, because when you bring them out, they're gonna have some juice coming out of them, and you don't want to have that in your plate, all the juice. So you're gonna just use this, paper towel again, so that it can absorb that juice. All right, here we go. They look pretty good. You want that nice color. All right. So here you have it. You have this fantastic scallop. And just so you know, this pan is the most amazing pan. So if you're looking for a good pan, is de Buyer, which is a carbon steel pan. I'm not paid to saying that. It's an amazing pan, the best I've ever had for doing steaks or anything like that. So enjoy, guys.